to be a premium brand that charges premium prices. Premium brands aren't for everyone. They're crafted to captivate a specific target audience. For example, meet Zaylana, a brand with a vision. Before rebranding, Zaylana sold kitchen accessories with no real lasting impact. They didn't have a clear understanding of who they are trying to target and how to speak to them directly. This cost them a lot on their conversions and a lot of missed sales. So what did we do? We first understood they sell premium kitchen accessories, but not to any old consumer. We rebranded their target audience to be predominantly males who are cooking lovers. These cooking enthusiasts desire to increase their skills, impress their family, and overall have better health. The brand story is all about connecting families during cooking time, as cooking shouldn't be a chore, but a bonding experience. The personality is of the creator, innovative, inspirational, and quality-focused. We then designed 3 mood boards that embody the brand strategy. The client picked the first one, and we went into the design and refine stage. Our methodology doesn't just give you a nice logo or a website. It gives you a whole blueprint on how your brand should look, act, and communicate to speak directly to your target audience. Remember, clear and precise. Charge premium price. Want to also build a premium brand? Book in a call using the link in bio. Follow for more value.